Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will discuss about huge pages. We will see the details of how to configure Linux server for the huge pages for Oracle database. Configuring huge pages for Oracle on Linux x86-64 means 64-bit DB version till 12C or 11G, all the previous versions you can configure this. For large SGA size, huge pages can give substantial benefits in virtual memory management. Without huge pages, the memory of the SGA is divided into 4K pages, which have to be managed by the Linux kernel. Using huge pages, the page size is increased to 2 MB. The memory associated with huge pages cannot be swapped out, which forces the SGA to stay memory resident. Huge pages. Automatic memory management AMM is not compatible with Linux huge pages, so apart from ASM instances and small unimportant databases, you will probably have no need for AMM on a real database running on Linux. Instead, automatic shared memory and automatic PGA memory should be used as they are compatible with huge pages. Configuring huge pages. This is slide 1 for the configuration. Run the following command to determine the current huge page usage. Means if you want to see what is the existing usage of huge pages, are they configured or no, you can run the command grep huge /proc/meminfo, or you can run another command cat /proc/meminfo # then grep huge. It is showing that all like huge pages total is 0, huge pages free 0, reserved 0, so it means it is not in use, but it is showing the huge page size, which is 2048 KB. Configuring huge pages, slide 2. As per above command output, the default huge page size is 2 MB on Oracle Linux 5, and as you can see from the output below, by default no huge pages are defined. Depending on the size of your SGA, you may wish to increase the value of huge page size. So here we will increase it to 1 GB. Slide 3. Create a file called hugepages_settings.sh with the following contents. You can copy this content as it is, or you can download from internet. You can find this file easily on internet if you search on Google hugepages_settings.sh. you can download this. You can match the content if you want. Make the file executable. In Linux, when you are creating any new file, you have to give the rights to execute. So here with command chmod u+x hugepages_settings.sh, it will give the rights to this file to be executed on the Linux operating system. Make sure all the Oracle services are running as normal on the server. Then run the script and make the note of the recommended vm.nr_hugepages value. Means Oracle should be in running mode, database should not be shut down, it should be up, listener running, everything okay. Then you will execute the command /hugepages_settings.sh. It will show you recommended setting vm.nr_hugepages. For example, here it is showing 305. Definitely for big memories this figure will be big. Now edit the sysctl.conf for conf file, which is under etc folder, as the root user. Adding the following entry adjusted based on your output from the script. You should set the value greater than or equal to the value displayed by the script. You only need one or two spare pages. So here, for example, the figure was 305. So we will add the line in sysctl.conf vm.nr underscore hugepages equals to 306. We increase only one. For Linux 6.5, only for SUSE version, get the ID of DBA group by this command fgrep dba /etc /group. The number showing 54322. This is for DBA user or DBA group. Use the resulting group ID in the etc/sysctl.conf file. This is only for SUSE version of Linux. vm.huge_tlb underscore shm underscore group equals to 54322. Now this is for all Linux. Run the following command as the root user: sysctl-p. This command you have to run to execute this file again. So the figure of vm.nr underscore hugepages will be active in the memory. Alternatively, edit the etc grub.conf file, adding hugepages equals to 306 to the end of the kernel line for the default kernel and reboot. Alternatively means if you cannot run sysctl, then you have to do this and restart the server. But if you run already sysctl-p command, then no need to restart. You can now see the hugepages have been created but are currently not being used by the command same grep huge/proc/meminfo. Now you can see the hugepages total is 306, but all are free. So it means they are in the memory now but not used. Add the following entries into the limits.conf file, which is under etc/security folder, or in some Linux or Unix it will be under etc security limits.d/99 grid oracle limits.conf, where the setting is at least the size of the hugepages allocation in KB. The formula is hugepages multiplied by hugepage size. In this case, the value is 306 multiplied by 2048, which will be 626688 in our case. So we will add these lines will be there already in limits.conf. So we will change their value to our value, like soft memlog 626688, also hard memlog same. Note, you can set these parameters to a value just below the size of physical memory of the server. This way you can forget about it unless you add more physical memory. Means whenever you add physical memory, then you have to do these steps again. You have to run that hugepage settings file again and update the values accordingly. Check the memory target parameters are not set for the database, and SGA target and PGA aggregate target parameters are being used instead. Restart the server and restart the database services as required. Now check the hugepages information again. Same command you have to run grep huge/proc/meminfo. Now you can see hugepages total is 306, free 98, and reserved are 93. So it means now it is properly in use. Remember, you need to reset the required number of hugepages or risk Oracle running without them if you increase your memory allocation or add new instances. Definitely, if you will add new instances, then you have to distribute between them. Finish configuration of hugepages on Linux. Hope you understand this, and if you have any questions, you can ask, or you can follow the steps accordingly, and it will be configured easily. Thank you for watching this.